In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing text animation in Squarespace. A typing effect is a simple way to make your headlines feel dynamic and alive, and you can add it in just a few minutes using a code block. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so it looks great and performs well. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open your site by clicking Website. This takes you to the main area where you can work on your content and design. Next, head into Pages. This is where you choose exactly where the typing animation will live, whether that's your homepage hero, a landing page, or a section inside any standard page. Select the page where you want the effect. Once you're on that page, enter Edit mode by clicking Edit. You'll see the familiar editor with sections and insert points. Hover where you want the animation to appear, usually near a headline or a short line of copy, and click Add Block. This opens the block library so you can place a special block right where you need it. In the block search, type code to quickly find the code block option. Click code to insert it into your layout. The code block is perfect for this because the typing effect uses a bit of HTML and JavaScript, and this block allows you to add both safely in one place. With the block in place, click the pencil icon to edit its contents. You'll see an editor where you can paste your snippet. Now paste your typing animation code. Typically, this includes a container element for the text, plus a small script that reveals letters one by one. Keep your markup clean, keep the script scope to this block, and use short, readable phrases for the best effect. If your code appears as visible text instead of running, make sure it's being treated as code rather than displayed as plain content. If the animation doesn't run inside the editor, that's normal. Many scripts only play in preview or on the live page. Also note that running custom JavaScript requires a Squarespace plan that supports code blocks with scripts. If you're on a plan that restricts scripts, the effect won't execute until you upgrade or use an approved method. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep contrast high so the animated text is legible as it types. Test on mobile to ensure the line length doesn't wrap awkwardly mid-animation. Provide meaningful words so the motion supports your message, not just decoration. And consider adding a brief pause at the end of each phrase in your code so it feels natural. That's it. Your typing text animation is set up and ready to impress.